After performing regular maintenance on any vehicle, you'll want to reset the service reminder indicator in the instrument panel. Today I'm going to show you how to perform the reset two different ways. The reset can be performed directly in the vehicle or by using an iSCAN device. So let's take a look at the procedures on this 2021 XC60. Put the vehicle in convenience mode by quickly turning the start knob to start without pressing any pedals. Press and hold the button for decreasing the cruise control speed on the steering wheel left keypad. Put the vehicle in driving mode by turning on the engine. After the cruise control button has been pressed for 10 seconds, the information symbol in the instrument cluster will begin to flash. 1 to 4 seconds after the information symbol starts flashing, release the cruise control button. This will reset the service reminder indicator, or SRI. You will receive a message confirming the reset. There will be times when the manual reset will not work and a scan tool will be needed. You can quickly reset the service reminder indicator using your iSCAN device. Tap Euro. Tap Volvo. Tap Service Function. Tap the year range for the vehicle you're working on. In this example, we'll tap models from 1997. Scroll and tap the model you're working on. In this example, we'll tap XC60. Tap the year and range for the vehicle you're working on. In this example, we'll tap models from 2018. Tap Automatic Read Model Year. Confirm the vehicle is correctly identified. Press Enter to continue. Tap Quick Service. Tap DIM Service Reset. Read and acknowledge message on screen. Press Enter to perform reset. You'll receive a message stating Resetting Service Reminder Indicator Finished. Press Enter or Exit to continue. That was easy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.